Hey everybody, this is Drew, and on this week's episode of Stuff Churches Should Know, I want to talk to you about database management. Database management can mean a lot of different things for a lot of different organizations, but as it pertains to SecureGive, I want to talk about how we help you manage data along with carrying that data into other systems that you may or may not be using within your church. We have one goal in mind when thinking about managing data within SecureGive, and that's to make your life easier and more efficient. So part of the way that we help you manage data is we have built these things called APIs. And API is just a fancy acronym that represents basically a digital bridge. It's a bridge that will be the go-between a system like SecureGive and a management system that you may be using to facilitate, people, interaction with people, volunteerism, check-ins, church management systems, right? So SecureGive can work with pretty much any management system out there. But we do have these APIs with groups like Fellowship One, Church Community Builder, Rock, Ministry Platforms, Planning Center. Those are some of our API connections, which just simply means that anything that happens in SecureGive as it pertains to giving and a giver's information, we update those systems automatically. You set it up, you link them together, and everything sort of just happens flow-free from there. We think that that is one of the strongest advantages of SecureGive entirely. A week or so ago, I had talked to you about our desire to be an all-in-one solution for you, right? And part of the way we do that is to make sure that your internal management system is receiving data from SecureGive, and it's happening as automated of a process as possible. And that strengthens SecureGive's participation in your church, because everything that pertains to a giver's journey is easily found inside the SecureGive system. So what about those church management systems, database management systems that do not have a direct API with SecureGive? It's really no problem at all. We actually have exports for pretty much everything else. We have really strong workflows with our import and export features in SecureGive that make that process basically as pain-free as having a direct connection with the API. So maybe you're using a group like Breeze or ACS or any of the Shelby systems. All of those we have exports for. So that means that you simply download an Excel file out of SecureGive, you take it over to that management system, upload it, and then there's a reconcile that will take place automatically for you. One of the big differences around SecureGive's API connections and exporting connections is we honestly, we include that capability in basically every plan we offer. So the majority of you who are seeing this already have access to the APIs and the exports. So what I would encourage you to do, if you think that there is, maybe I listed them here today, or you're curious to know if what you're using can work with SecureGive, definitely get in touch with our team. The email that brought you to this video, there should be a way for you to link out, book a meeting, but we'll help get you set up with the appropriate match there, whether it's using one of our APIs or getting the export situated. I know that this is an important topic because I'm still throughout each week, I'm having conversations, and churches just may not be aware that these types of opportunities are available to them, which makes stuff churches should know even more important. And that's part of the reason that we've chosen topics like this. So APIs, exports into your church management system. If you're not using something with us now, let's get you set up. It's a painless process, and I promise you the return on value and your time, it's going to be very difficult to replace. So we appreciate you. We're cheering you on. We love each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.